Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk, and I'm going to apologize ahead of time because it is freezing out. It's about 32 degrees. It's actually supposed to snow in a couple hours. But I wanted to get out here and give you guys an update on Surfside Pier because some things have changed. And so today we're going to be filming out here for you, and I just want to give you a heads up, and I want to see if you guys notice anything. Today I'm filming on something new. I'm filming on a gimbal, which is going to keep the shot straight. Like right now I'm moving my arm, you can't really tell as much. But comment below, let me know if you like this better or not, because I want to try new things out like this. Like right now the lighting doesn't look as nice. But anyway, you're here for the update. Let's get moving, and please subscribe to our channel. We're going to go ahead and start off towards Dinosaur Beach and make our way all the way over. And of course, we're going to end with a nice drone video to give you guys a bird's eye view of everything. But the first thing you'll notice over here is that there is nothing left on the beach. They took everything off the beach. And on Dinosaur Beach itself, they currently have parts of the doo-wopper and they have the teacups. Now, of course, we found out a couple weeks ago what's going to happen to the doo-wopper. If you notice, you can actually watch the last update over here. But for those who don't know, they're moving it to the north side of the pier. And what's great is it's going to be right next to the Great Nor'easter, and you'll be able to ride both rides right next to each other, which I think is great. So let me go ahead and swing the camera over so you could see everything over here. So to start things off, we're going to swing over to Dinosaur Beach, and here you could see the track of the doo-wopper. And of course, you'll be able to see the teacups on the left-hand side here. So you're just kind of just sitting there for a little bit. Of course, that's all going to get back on the pier. So if we swing over, you'll notice that there is nothing left on the beach except for a food stand. That red box thing over there, that's that hot dog stand. No idea where that's going to go now that they moved everything. But you'll see here, our convoy, once again, was moved up here in the front. There's still a giant space, which is supposed to be for the coaster. Which is going to be a nice size coaster, as you can tell. I mean, look at all this space they have to work with, right? Now we're going to make our way down the pier and give you shots just kind of through the sides where the boards are, where the fences, just to see if there's any changes going on. And so far, not as much since the last time we've been here, but I know there's a lot of changes down the other side of the pier. So as you're seeing so far, once again, there really are not many changes on this side of the boardwalk. So we're going to skip over this section here and the next section and go right towards the last cut through, because I know there are a lot of changes over there I want to show you. So the two changes you could clearly see is that Happy Feet looks like it was moved over here, but that really doesn't look like much sense to me. I mean, I don't think that is a permanent thing. The other thing, it looks like that Dante's got pushed back a little bit. Well, I mean, we'll notice when we go over here, but those are the two big changes so far. So if you guys look, we were actually right. Look at that. You can see that Dante's itself has been pushed back against the pier. Interesting, right? I honestly did not expect that kind of move. And if we pan over to the right, you'll notice that once again, Happy Feet, which you can see the top right here, is sitting right next to Kanga. I really don't think that's permanent. We'll look when we get up in the air, but I don't think that's permanent. Now, before we take off over here, just a friendly reminder, there is a 200-foot perimeter that you have to fly around. You can't go within 200 feet of the pier. I'm going to keep reminding you this because Stone Harbor just outlawed drones, and I don't want that happening here. So please follow those rules when you're flying. It's ready to go, so let's do it. So as I said before, really not too many changes yet so far. I mean, Dante's was pushed back, and you can tell the Happy Feet has moved. Now, my guess is that they already started putting the doo-wopper up, just because with the new coaster coming, they're going to want to get this thing up and running, or at least not running, at least up, so it can get inspected right away, because they're going to have their hands tied with the new coaster. I really hope that you like our update. Tell me in the comments section, do you like that's where the doo-wop's going? Do you also think that Happy Feet is going to be moved somewhere around? Because I really don't think it's going to be there. And are you excited for the new coaster? Once again, comment all that below. Also, do us a big favor, please go ahead, subscribe to our channel, and like this video. We really do appreciate your guys' support, and as always, I'll see you guys on the beach. See ya!